Hi friends, welcome to my bronze kitchen. This is filter. This is water filter. This is stove and this is idli well. This is curries vessel. Spices box. These are just containers. These two are just containers. These are plates, bowls, milk vessels, and this is also this is water vessel. I think it's these are spoons, like spoons. This is claw. This is chapati toaster. This is curry vessel. These are chapati making rolls. This is dining table. This is glass. These are spoons. These are chairs, and this tiny one is table. Today to my home guests are coming, so I make idli for breakfast, chutney, and I set up welcome drink and dining table too. If they are going to be for lunch, I will make the food for lunch. Thank you. Bye.